So I think now it is quite okay. So if I am visible and audible to all of you, confirm, then we will start our class today. The rest part of today's session, that is also very, very important, because there we are going to learn something about Gaganyaan, which is very, very important. What are the objectives? Okay, so dear aspirants, some of the most important facts related to Gaganyaan. Let us discuss. Let us discuss, and there you will find that the important thing about the significance. What I wish to tell you, that is significance. It is going to boost industries, and you will find that 60% of the equipments which are going to be used in Gaganyaan, the attainment, you may say, the project is going to obtain it from the indigenous resources. So it is a very nice thing. 60% of its equipment from Indian private sector, you may say. Now employment, because you see, employment is also very, very important. The space organization that is going to uh, have this project, so it needs additional manpower of at least 900 to 1000. So this is also going to enhance employment. So this is the significance number two. So boost to industries, and the second important thing is employment. So now technological development, this is also a very important feature, very important significance that is going to have. And boost to academic organizations. Now boost to research, this is also going to happen. Motivation, you may say, and prestige, because India is going to be the fourth nation, as far as the fourth country to launch human space mission. So this is going to be a most significant fact about all these things. Now, the challenges of the mission, that is also very, very important. And this is important with respect to the mains examination. So launch, so the launch vehicle is GSLV Mark III. So this launch vehicle has been modified to enable human space flights to be human rated, and it 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 has been modified up to fail safe, you may say, fail safe. So for a human space flight, the launcher has reliability of 98% or above, or only two failures in 100 launches, which is a big challenge. So this is going to happen. Now escape system, I have already described what is there with this launch vehicle. So it is also added to this very fact, environmental control and life support system, ELCSS. So you should note down in your notebook what is the meaning of ELCSS, dear aspirants. Environmental control and life support system. So this is also very, very important. As far as the astronaut training is concerned, so India doesn't have the facilities for rigorous and focused training, but the centrifuges and experienced G-force and aircraft to stimulate zero gravity conditions. So this is going to happen with collaboration with the Russian, because the astronauts have been are there to have a training, rigorous training with respect to such conditions which are going to happen in space. Now, threat from space debris, this is also this is going to be a challenging one. There is increasing threat of space debris in the low Earth orbit. So You may say it is also, and we may take precautions with respect to the collision with a small debris there. Now, the cost human space flight missions are not one-time investment, you all know, and it required for demonstrating national capability, but has to be continued. So human space flight pursued with national gain. So therefore, the financial implications are of a concern. So this is very important. Now, way forward, this is also very useful to communicate to you, because private sector, you all know that private sector should be encouraged. This may be a part of your mains examination. There you may find such type of descriptive questions. So the private sector must be encouraged to support ISRO efforts and develop critical technologies for it. Now, human capital, youth, yes, Anjalisa, yes, very good. You are there with me. So thank you. And everybody has left because there was a little snag in internet and internet related issue. But at the same time, just within 1 or 2 minutes, I reconnected myself. So government support, that is also there. Government support should be, it should keep on encouraging, and it is supporting. So it is ISRO's 100% effort and going to be a successful mission. So let us hope that this mission is going to be a success and grand success, great success for the first time, that is maiden success of Indian space science technology. So with these words, let us conclude our class today. Dear aspirants, I have prepared at least 25 MCQs related to Gaganyaan. Since the aspirants are not with me, only Anjalisa, you are visible, so you are there. So let us conclude our class today, and it is 14 past 8. So we should not wait, and tomorrow we will take up some most important topic. So related to essay writing, I will be sending in the morning itself, and on Sunday evening at 7:30 we will discuss all these things. So thank you for joining me in such a good number, everybody, and let us hope that Anjali sir, tomorrow will be no physical class, because you see, Anjali, you have put a very good question, and I think the most important fact related to physical class is our protection, and you see a lot of dust is there, and we are not well protected because the sanitizer, but there is no sanitization in our in that premises. So we should take care of all those very important things. Nowadays it has become a very important thing, and we should take care of. So that way, Anjali, nothing is going to happen, and tomorrow once again we will have our class like this, and then after in a short while we will be meeting somewhere else. Bye bye, good night.